everyone, welcome back. My name is Sabina. Today I'm going to show you how to achieve beach waves on second day hair. So if you're interested in watching this video, please keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and leave me some comments below. All right, let's get into the video. So my hair pretty much looks like this the second day. And I start off by using dry shampoo. My favorite at the moment right now is a product I just found recently from Walmart. It's just dry shampoo, no residue, and it's called Waterless. It's paraben-free, sulfate-free. It looks like this. And I just shake this up and spray a ton of this product in my hair. Okay, and then I just wait, I don't know, a few seconds. Spray a little more because you can never have enough dry shampoo. Then I wait a few seconds for that to kind of settle in. And I pick up my brush. Sorry, it's pretty grody, but I've had this brush forever. And I only use it for dry shampoo days, so I don't mind it getting, you know, kind of grody. And then I just brush the product through my hair like so. So after I've brushed out my hair, I could probably use just a titch more up here. So I'm going to go ahead and just lift this area up a little bit and spray from the front and the back. While I'm doing that, I'm warming up my tool. I don't know what brand this is. I got this quite a long time ago, and see if I can find it, and I'll link it down below. After I spray my hair, I make sure I brush it out, and I pretty much start with, you know, straight hair. There's a little bit of bend in my hair from yesterday. I did style my hair yesterday with a flat iron doing waves, so I do flat iron waves on day 1, which I'll have a tutorial for sometime this week, and then day 2 I style my hair using a wand. It's just easier that way because on day 1 my hair is nice and clean, it's smooth. I can use the flat iron and it just glides through my hair. I find though on day 2 with the dry shampoo and the other product I put in my hair that it just doesn't work as well, and it ends up getting stuck, and then I get dents in my hair. So using the wand for me is, you know, a lot easier on day 2. So that's what we're gonna do. I am not fancy when it comes to doing my hair. So I pretty much have another comb like this, and this is only for dry shampoo days, so all the residue just doesn't get into my clean hair. And I start in front. I just take random sections. Again, I am not fancy. I hold my wand in my opposite hand and the front. I wrap around. I curl my hair around the wand away from my face in the front, and I just hold it there for a little bit, and then I let it drop, and it looks like that. The next section I take, and I just take random sections. I'm not very particular. Sometimes smaller, sometimes bigger sections. It just depends. This section I always curl toward my face. It helps just to break up the waves. And I only do this on this side and the other side. Otherwise, I just curl all of my hair away from my face, except for these two at the top. And I try to let them sit, and I just kind of swoop it out of the way. And then I go on to the next section. So I just grab, comb it through, take my wand, wrap it away from my face, hold it there for a few seconds, and then just let it drop. Grab another random section. I wrap it around my wand away from my face, like I'm going to do with all the remaining sections until I get to the other side. And sometimes, you know, these little pieces underneath, since I do have a bob, it's mostly one length. I do have a few pieces of layers in there just to break it up a little bit, but I find that with this particular haircut, having like a blunt bob really... So again, I'm just going to randomly start taking pieces and just wrapping them around my wand like this. letting go. When I first started using these curling wands, you know, they all come with like a protective glove, and I thought, oh, I don't need a glove. Well, I ended up burning myself a lot, so I started using the glove until I got the hang of it. I just don't anymore. I've kind of gotten this routine down pretty well. So when it comes down to the side of my face, again, I just take what I feel like taking. Get this out of the way. I find for the messy look, it's just, I like more of a messy bob, like undone. So that's how I grab my hair. I don't section things off. I just grab whatever I feel like grabbing. Okay. I'm gonna do, I think, this last one away from my face. And then this next section, this is the section that I'm going to curl toward my face. So if you remember on this side, this one was toward my face, and then I do one more toward my face. Ooh, on the opposite end. Let me redo that. Hello, there we go. Okay, and I just kind of help that curl sit. And as you can tell, I like when I have the ends that are straight. I don't curl my ends all the way through because I don't want it curly. I want it more of a wave. So I'm going to grab this group of hair that I have left beside my front. This is going to go away from my face. So my last section, I'm going to take and curl away from my face. Again, I'm holding this piece right here so that doesn't curl. And it comes out straight, like with a little bit of a bend, just like that. Okay, and then I usually go through and I check to see if there's any parts that I might want to recurl. I usually do my makeup next after I'm finished with curling my hair. And then I will come back because I want it to cool. And then I'll come back and I'll zhuzh it up. So since I already have my makeup done, I'm just not going to let it sit as long. It's still a little bit warm on the side that I just curled. This side is pretty much cooled off. So what I do is I just kind of break up those curls by I don't run my fingers through, but I don't know, I go like this. The hairspray I've been using is by Pantene. It's called their Hairspray. It's alcohol free and it has a hold of 3. It has a matte finish, but a nice shine. I just picked this up at Walmart. And when I spray, I make sure I spray from under and I kind of grab it and lift as I spray. And every time I curl my hair, it turns out differently. So it never looks the same, which I kind of like. I might take this front guy right here. It's a little straight, so I'm gonna just throw that around the wand. Okay. And I'm not going to use any texture spray today. I do have some texture spray that I use usually on day 1, but on day 2 I still have that product in my hair, so I find that I don't need it. And this is the finished look. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.